Well, we have very raw, chilly, northeasterly winds ushering in cool temperatures off of Intellicast.com. These are your temperatures right now, and I don't expect temperatures to really go anywhere over the next few days. They'll probably be in the 60s with this easterly wind, and you notice on radar that showers are already starting to build off the coast, and that'll set the stage for some moderate to heavy rain, particularly toward the coast tomorrow and into a good part of Saturday before it lets up. So Intellicast.com shows you the front. This front actually came through Tuesday. It's going to come back north like a windshield wiper and sort of sit over the region. So when we look at Tropical Tidbits, the website, it shows that the front consolidates near the coast with moderate to heavy rain breaking out late tonight and lasting through much of the day tomorrow and tomorrow night. Widespread moderate to heavy rain along the coast. And the further you go inland, you may not see a lot at all. In fact, I think that areas north and west of town end up with around an inch maybe as this front slowly works its way west as it does so on Saturday. And once it does so on Saturday, it starts to lose some of the precipitation because it loses the connection with the tropics. And once the front is on land, it's not really generating much. So the bulk of the rain falls tomorrow and tomorrow night along the coast, 1 to 3 inches, a good bet. Further north and west you go, not a whole heck of a lot. I think they're going to be dropping those forecasted total amounts, especially in the Hudson Valley, northern New Jersey. I think you'll see amounts start to get pared down with some of the evening forecasts that are coming out tonight. Here's the very dangerous Hurricane Joaquin. This is an extremely catastrophic storm. It's a Category 4 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson scale, and it is battering the Bahamas right now. They may not recover for some time to come in certain parts of the Bahamas due to that storm. And all the while, the key to the forecast the entire weekend has been the evolution of where Joaquin was going to end up. And in fact, when we look at the models from yesterday, a lot of them were ominously clustered near the eastern seaboard. Some of them had Carolina coast hits, some of them had New Jersey hits. But now we look at them today, and a lot of these models have bowed to the European model. Once again, the US-generated models have really struck out in a big situation. Our hurricane models just got the daylights kicked out of them by a superior European model, and the trend is unmistakable that Hurricane Joaquin is most likely headed out to sea. Again, I wouldn't let my guard down completely. I would give it another day or so before I breathed a sigh of relief, but this is the definite trend right now. This is Tuesday morning off the GFS, and you can see that verbatim the storm is good 150 to 200 miles south of Cape Cod, but all the while it's doing that, it's generating 15-foot waves that are crashing into our shorelines for the entire duration of the weekend. So the bottom line here is there has been a discernible trend to take the hurricane well away from the eastern seaboard. I wouldn't let your guard down. I would wait another day. Stay tuned to local media, television outlets, websites, your favorite weather source, and I will have an update tomorrow. But it is decidedly in our favor that a catastrophic blow from Hurricane Joaquin is not in the cards for the tri-state area.